To install Tobu Drive, you first click on Sync Desktop. You click on Download Tobu Drive for Windows, and what you'll see is, Tobu Drive for Windows downloaded into your Downloads folder. So that's where it will be available. And now we'll see how you can actually finish the installation process for Tobu. So in your Downloads folder, you have the Tobu Drive zip file. You double click on that. You click on Extract to, and now you choose the folder where you want to extract this zip file. This is the most important process. Once the file has been extracted, you close this window. Now you see a folder created called Tobu Drive. You simply double click on that. You click on Tobu Drive app, and now you have the launcher file. You simply double click on that to start the installation process. Right, so it will say you need to install Java. You say OK, and now it has begun the Java installation process. So now all you have to do is keep clicking on next. So you see here, you simply click on next, and it will start the installation process for Java. You say next again. Click on next again. So now you've reached the last stage of the installation process. So now you simply click on close since Java has been installed successfully, and that's it. Tobu Drive will just launch on the control panel at the bottom, and there it is. So you officially now have the license to drive Tobu, or should I say license to Tobu Drive.